Sorry for the background noise, it's pounded down rain outside. I'm going to install the caliper now on the front. Some new grade 8 hardware. We'll drop a Loctite on it. Come on, move. There it is. Now the spin, nothing's hitting. Under there for sound effects. Now we're going to install the caliper fittings and brake hose. Got a plug here I'm going to pull out. Make sure the hole's clean. A little hunk of Teflon tape. So when you put tape on your brake fittings, make sure that none of the tape closes over the hole or even gets over the shoulder at all. You want to keep it out of the brake line. This is 8th pipe into the caliper, -3 out the other end, using a socket to tighten it up. This caliper is aluminum, remember, so don't go cranking this in like there's no tomorrow. Just kind of firm. Check it later for leaks. Next we've got our -3 flexible brake line. Got a 90 on one end, straight on the other. Straight end goes under here on our adapter fittings that we've already installed. Put that on there hand tight for now. Screwed onto the caliper. Make sure to use your flare wrenches on these things, or AN wrenches, since it is an AN fitting. But it's steel, so it's pretty tough. I'm orienting this 90 pretty much straight up and down. Tighten up the inside line. Crank the steering back and forth a couple times so you can see what kind of clearance we have. Right now the wheel is, the hub assembly is at ride height. Okay, we'll put the wheel and tire on there, check for clearance. Okay. Swing her back the other way, make sure it's not rubbing on the tire. Okay, so it's touching the tire here, so I'm going to have to change the angle of the fitting a little bit. Point this 90-degree bend in a little bit more. Like that. I'm going to rotate the inner one up a little bit. Check her again. Good. Got about 2 inches of clearance between the wheel and the brake line. I don't know if you can see it, but the hose rubs on the chassis right here, right down in there, just lightly. So I'll just put a little chafing gear on there with a couple wire ties. Even though the steel braid is made to handle a little bit of that abuse. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.